Hello, we're going to explain to you how to maintain your Hoover Dustmanager. First, open the door, then take out the main filter unit. On top is the HEPA filter. Twist this and remove. We also have a main cyclone unit which we can take out. To clean both of these, can be washed under a tap or in a bowl of warm water. This filter comes away in two parts which can be cleaned in the same way. We do recommend that you replace them annually, and you can buy these from our spare site. Place the cyclone unit back inside the chamber, then take the filter, place back on top and lock into position. There's also a filter down here which can be removed, and at the back there's a latch you press down which is the exhaust filter. Both of these filters again can be washed in cold water under the tap or rinsed in a bowl of warm water. Please allow 24 hours to make sure these are thoroughly dry. To put back together, clip the exhaust filter in at the base, lift down the latch and clip into place. Place the motor filter in the base, push the filter unit back in from the front and replace the door. Locate at the bottom and click back into place. To check for any blockages, we remove the hose from here and take the hose out of the base. To unblock your hose, find a broom handle or a pole. Feed this into the neck of the hose and push all the way down until it comes out of the bottom. This will then push out the obstruction out the other end. To check that our hose is clear, we'll use a pound coin, and if it falls right through to the bottom, we know that it's clear. To reattach the hose, place in the back of the vacuum and turn right. Hook the hose on the one side, clip the hose back into place and push the nozzle back into the base. If you think your appliance isn't picking up very well, we need to check whether the belt's working and the brush is going round. Switch your appliance on. If it's not going round, this means we need to check the belt to see if it's broken. First, press the pedal button and lower it on its back. Take out the hose. There are two screws located in the back. Once you've undone these, you need to lift the cover forward, keeping your finger on the sliding switch. Remove the belt and take a firm grip of the brush and lift it out. To place our new belt back on the brush, put the new belt around the brush. Replace the brush, making sure the flat side is facing down. Locate these in the slots and push down firmly. Then, with your finger, stretch the belt until it's over the shaft of the motor. Turn it twice to make sure it's in perfect alignment. To refit the hood, hook these in at the front and place down firmly at the back. Screw the lid back down on both sides, and remember to place the little slider back in.